Hey friends, it's Jana here with Stampin' Ink, and I'm so excited to bring you this week's card class in a flash featuring the Banner Sayings bundle and the Hobby Haven Designer Series paper. In this class, we're going to create 8 cards, all different designs, and they're designed so that you can sit right down at your craft table and create them really fast. I'll go live on Thursday, April the 16th on YouTube and Facebook and walk you through how to create all 8 cards step by step. You can grab your own kit. The kit is $57 and it's going to include a half a pack of the Hobby Haven Designer Series paper. I did a coffee and chit chat today on Facebook and YouTube, and I said that the kit was going to include a full pack of the Designer Series paper. That was a mistake. It should have been a half a pack of paper. So you will receive a half a pack of paper with these beautiful die cuts. We use just about all of them. You will have some left over though. You'll receive a half a pack of paper, a full spool of ribbon, a full embellishment, and all of the card kits cut and ready for you to sit down at your craft table and create. We're going to create these 8 cards live on Thursday. With this kit, you'll also have a PDF tutorial. Registration is now through April the 19th. Kits will ship out no later than April the 28th. The class is limited availability. I have limited kits, so if this is something that you're interested in, please register soon. There will be a link in the description of the video, and I will also send it out to my email subscribers. The bundle, you'll have the option to add the bundle on to your registration or order it yourself through my online store starting tomorrow, and you will earn double Stampin' rewards. So instead of just 10% back, you'll earn 20% back, okay? I can't wait to create these cards with you on Thursday, and I hope you enjoy the kit. Don't forget, you can register now through the 19th, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Happy stamping.